Good evening to my lovely U.S. history students. Here is our plan for Monday, April 20th. Okay, first, do the April 20th do now assignment. Get that done before 2 so I can mark you present. And then this is important. There's nothing new assigned. So if you are behind, this is a great opportunity for you to get caught up. The next assignment due isn't going to be until Monday, the 27th, so a week from today. So if you're behind, get caught up. If you are caught up, and that's most of you, this is a great opportunity for you to do some more extra credit, or you could work ahead on Chapter 25, Section 2. It's kind of a longer assignment, and it covers the end of the war in Europe, or the European theater of World War II. And you can see the due date below. Right here is Monday, April 27th. That's all I got for you. Have a great day.